what I want to do is, and here's kind of the style of what we're going to do. We're going to kind of go back and forth, but there's a kind of method, and I want to try and walk with you, right, as we interject and interlude through 4 stages of unfolding the story, okay? And I'm going to take issue a little bit, which is what a good chavruta does, right? A good chavruta is they agree on everything. That's kind of boring, okay? So I want to try and kind of take issue a little bit with kind of not a substantive point, but kind of the cast of a piece of Ken's presentation. The map I'm totally with.
I understand.
Which is, see, the question is, and I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait like about another half hour until we get there. But I want to kind of circle back to it, okay? But let me kind of go back. Let me go back for a second. So we go back to New Age. So we're kind of at the mythic God. So Ken kind of maps it for us. Okay, you can go either down or up, right?
Among many other things.
Right,
yes.
and that's of course Fowler's move. Right, Fowler's move in his great book of the 5 stages of faith. Right, he kind of talks about the move up to uncertainty, which is a classical up move, or a kind of New Age move. New Age has a lot of beauty in it, of course, but the kind of excessive magic, which kind of is a kind of disguised narcissism, kind of disguised egocentric move. So with that frame, I'm totally with. I want to kind of talk about what we could do with other pieces of it. Let's put that on the side.
Yep.
But both moves, both the classical, we'll call it the mythical religious move, sin, punishment, right, and the magic move, both are motivated by what? What drives them? Because what drives them is this absolutely huge need to be in control. To be in control. That is to say, as long as I'm saying, right, that if I would change this, the world would shift, right? Either I didn't sin anymore, or I kind of invited different energy, right? Whatever it is, that allows me to radically remain in control. And that's what Ken means when he says it's an egocentric disguise. Right? I'm in control. So in order to kind of let go of that, I need to kind of give up control. And giving up control is a very frightening thing to do. However, one of the things that 12 Steps taught us, right, kind of picking up, and then kind of this whole, is that actually we're all kind of a little bit addictive. And the beginning of healing addiction, which is kind of the ailment of modernity, it's the spiritual ailment of all of us, I just kind of have this first step where kind of open up to this place where I'm kind of giving up control. Now, I may want to come back and reclaim some control. I may want to come back to karma and reclaim it. I don't want to get rid of karma. I may want to come back to a nexus between ethical behavior and how that plays in the world, right? And there may be all sorts of ways that it plays in the world. So we don't want to get rid of it. We want to get rid of it at level 1. That is to say, we want to get rid of a simplistic, I'm in control, right? Sin, punishment, energy, evil. We want to kind of let go of that and see if we can open ourselves up to a kind of higher possibility or possibilities that might bring us back.